Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on ACER Wave 7 to block specific website on specific devices. To do it, go to Home Network Security, then go to Parental Control, and now you can enable it. Then go to Plus. Now you can choose a device from either from the list that connected here, or you can just enter the device name and MAC address, then status on or off. When it's on, then the parental controls will be active, and off will be inactive. Then you can select categories, one of the ones that you want to block, either adult, which will block websites that include adult, mature, illegal, prohibited, alcohol, tobacco, gambling, violence, hate, racism, weapons, illegal drugs, and more. Then you can also choose instant messaging and communication, P2P and file transfer, or streaming. So choose one of these categories, then click on apply, and then it will show on the list. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.